All right, we are back to our series of challenges, and now I got this challenge here. Think you can see in a good way. All right, we have this challenge here, and you can say, "Hey, Wesley, this is just a easy challenge." So, but this is fun. When I saw this, and I say, "Ah, it could be fun." Let's read here. So, two cats and a mouse are at various positions on the line. You'll be given their starting position. Your task is to determine which cat will reach the mouse first, assuming the mouse does not move and the cats travel at equal speed. If the cats arrive at the same time, the mouse will be allowed to move and it will escape while they fight. You are given a key series queries in the form of X, Y, and Z, representing a respective position for cats A and B and for the mouse C. Complete the function cat and mouse, this one, cat and mouse, to return to appropriate answer to each query, which will be printed on a new file, on a new line. If cat A, the mouse first print catch A. If cat B catch the mouse first, print cat B. If both cats reach the mouse at the same time, print mouse C. Has the two cats fight and mouse escapes. So we have here an example. So we have the speed of the cat A, 2. The position is 2, 5, and 4. So the cats are at the position 2, cat A, and cat B at the position 5. And the mouse is at the position 4. At the position at the position 5, we will arrive first because it's close to the 4 one. Since it's only 1 unit away, while the other is 2 units away. Return cat B. So, function description. Complete the cat and mouse function in the editor below. Cat and mouse has the following parameters: X, cat A position, Y, cat B position, and Z, mouse C position. Return string either cat A, cat B, or mouse C. Input format. The first line contains a single integer key denoting the number of queries. Which of the queries subsequent lines contains three space-separated integers describing the respective values? Looks like this is just becoming harder, but it's not. Constraints. So 1 minus is meaner than q. Sample of output 2, 1, 2, 3. Sample of input and sample output. Cat B, mouse C. Query explanation. So the query is 0. The position of the cats and mouse are shown below. So we have the cat E at the position B, the cat A at the position 1, and the cat B at the position 2, and the mouse at the position 3. So which one is closest from the mouse? So cat B1. In the query 1, in this query, cat E and B reach the mouse C at the exact same time because cat A and cat B are at the same unit of distance, so just 1 unit. So the mouse escapes, so we print mouse C. So let's start this. Uh, Two cats, one mouse, both want to catch it. But who gets the first? Let's solve the cats and mouse challenge from HackerRank using C#. So first of all, let's just introduce the constants here. So uh, constring cat A, and I have cat A. Just because I'm lazy here. cat B, cat B, and mouse is the position C. Mouse. So now we have our all our returns here. So first of all, we need to check the distance unit. So first of all, we need we have cat A position, cat B position, and mouse C position. So let's check here. Given this three position, the mouse stays. Still both cats run at the same speed. We need to figure out which cat reads the mouse first, or if both read at the same time, meaning the mouse escapes. So let's run here. If both cats arrive simultaneously, we print mouse C. Otherwise, we print the name of the cat that reached first. Let's calculate the distance. So we have var distance A receive. Let's calculate this. We have the position of X, the first cat, minus Z, the mouse. And we need to calculate that. So we will have to here math, oops, math AB. And now I need to do almost the same with the second cat. We have the distance B, but instead the cat, cat A, we have the cat B. It's y minus Z. And now we have the distance B. All right, now we need to check that. We could do something better here, but let's run simple this. So if distance A is minor than distance B, you return cat A. Or else, if I like it that way, oh, this is better. If distance B minor than distance A, so return cat B. Or else return mouse. And that's it, pretty simple. So now, first of all, we need to calculate the distance A and the distance B. So the distance A is the distance from the cat A to the mouse, and the distance from the cat B from the mouse. And then we have distance A and distance B. If distance A is minor than distance B, so cat A cat first. If distance B is minor than distance A, so cat B cat first. Or if are the same, the else, so we need to print mouse C. Let's just remove this. And let's run. Let's check that. Oh, so our test pass. Oh, how can I change this? Oh, looks like I can. So, all right, we need to figure it out. And if both cats are right simultaneously, we hit mouse C. Now I have our examples, and that's it, guys. This is our work too. So, just getting back here, this Math ABS gives us the absolute difference between positions. Then we just compare and return the correct string. Clean, minimal, and readable. Let me just check this. Just a little bit more here, talking a little bit more about this math function. So here we have the absolute value. Look at this. If we have this, we will have a negative value, but we don't need a negative value. We just need to know in units which is the difference. So it could be -1, and this is just 1. So we use this math to remove the sign, so it's not negative, you know. So just to talk a little bit more about that, but how I say, uh, this is a simple challenge, and then we are trying to learn each function from C Sharp or .NET, and these are easy ones because of that. Even though we could use some kind of logic and think about this problem, this challenge, and it's good to know. So see you guys next one.